Yeah, guys, let's take a check on it. Whoa, got that bubbling. Yeah, beautiful. Time to put in the plant now. Alright, let that one boil about 10 minutes and then we'll take it off and fry up the ackee. That is it, my people. Okay, my people. Right there, so we got onion, garlic already chopped, diced in the pot already. Yeah, we got the ackee here, boiled. I add some all-purpose season on it. So as soon as the flour ready, and put on this fry it up. Okay, let's check on the flour pot and plantain. Okay, look at that, guys. Let me give it a stir. Yeah, look like it ready. Look like it ready, guys. Yep, fully cooked. So I'm gonna get this off now and get the frying pot on the fire. Yeah, frying pot on the fire now. Started to get hot. Add some oil in it now. 2 tablespoons. Check in on the flour pot. Yeah, so sitting. Yeah, man. Go and breeze out, okay? Go and breeze out. Okay, ready for fry up now. As soon as the oil hot. Get the ackee now. Eat that in store. I make that simmer for about 5 minutes. The guys are checking. Alright, that is it. This guy's ready. Get it off now. Alright, look at that. Fire still blazing. Yeah, ready, guys, ready. Stay tuned, I'm gonna share some food in this plate now. I'm gonna have a little feast. Yummy. Look at that. Yeah, man, from there to there. Got some more over here. This is for later. This is for later. I'm gonna feast on this now. Yeah, that is it. Stay sit now. Yeah. Mmm. Yummy. Hey guys, I tell us your food bad. Yeah. Thumbs up, my people. Yeah, look at that, guys. Nice. Listen, guys, I got you and finish eat this food, you know. Yeah, cause I'm so hungry. Subscribe to the channel.